Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we are reviewing the all-new Segway P100S. This here is their entry-level scooter. It's designed for urban as well as off-road capability. And it has a very futuristic design that's really close to the GT2 that we previously reviewed. Now this here's more of a budget version of the GT2, but still has all the features, including more extras, such as RGB lights, a full smart lighting integration system, and even an NFC key to go ahead and enable it, just like that. And yes, today we'll be unboxing it as well as trying it out, so if you guys want to learn more about them, check out the link down below in the description. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this here's our packaging, this here's the box, kind of showcases it here on the front. And as you kind of rotate it, just to show you guys the back, look at this. It actually even gives you a little bit of a breakdown in terms of what's going on. So as we look at it, it says that it has upgraded lighting effects. Got a 100-kilometer range, that's 62.1 miles. Now it features a 10.5-inch self-healing tires as well as a comfortable handlebar grip. All right, let's open this thing up and see what's inside. See a few different things going on here. So on the top here we do have our charger as well as the toolkit. So very similar to the design concept behind the GT2. So the steering column here is going to be mounted with 6 screws that's included, so just keep that in mind. And they are also Loctite screws, so you don't really have to worry about it kind of detaching. Alright guys, check it out. So this here's our P100S out of the box, and overall it looks quite identical to the GT2. Now there's a lot of similarities, however there is some differences, mainly for the fact that one, it's a very skinny version of the GT2. Now you do have a lot of identical down to the buttons itself, and the screen is actually quite identical too. However, this one here is not a transparent screen, it's actually a physical screen with a backlit display. So let's go ahead and take this thing outside next and try it out. Alright guys, so check it out. So we're outside here on this beautiful day. So this here is our scooter. Definitely looks like the GT2, but a little bit more minimal. The GT2 is a little bit wider and a little bit bulkier, but this here is designed more for the daily commute, where you can simply go ahead and pick it up and take it out. Now looking at it, I have to say it definitely has a really cool design concept. In terms of the screen here on the front, so you do have your throttle right over here. This will accelerate. You have your power button, you have your mode between sports, eco, as well as drive. On the left side here, we have our horn. We have our cruise control as well as our headlight switch and even turn signals. You have your front and rear disc brakes. And then in terms of the design itself, you have a headlight on the front, a tail light on the rear. And then over here is going to be our charger port, this little lock. Just go ahead and lift this up here and you can simply charge it like that. Now, the unique thing about this is it does not require a special adapter. It's literally plug and play, and that's something we've never seen before. Now, it also has lights underneath, which includes lights that display the logo of Segway on the bottom floor. Especially in the dark time, you really do see that. You have these nice off-terrain tires. They're designed for on-road as well as off-road, and overall looks really appealing. Now, in order to go ahead and close it, it's quite simple. There's a little latch here. Just go ahead and pop that open, and this will go ahead and release it. From there, we're going to slide it down, release the locking mechanism, bring it here, push it in, and just like that, it is locked, and you can go ahead and simply lift it up. So it's not the lightest scooter, but it does work quite well, especially compared to the GT2. Now to go ahead and unlock it, simply the reverse steps, just like that. Bring it up, lock it down, and you're ready to go. Now the NFC key is actually pretty nice because it is a alarm system. Essentially, you lock it like this, So if somebody tries moving it, the alarm would go off. So yeah, overall it's actually a really cool design concept. Let's go ahead and hop on it next and try it out. All right, well there you guys have it. So overall I have to say it's a very pleasant ride. Definitely a lot more advanced than some of the older ones. I love the fact that it has a double suspension. It's got a very unique design concept in terms of suspension goes. So it's actually like a spring leaf design. And that's something I've never seen before in terms of a triangular kind of suspension frame. So you can go over bumps, you can go over jumps, you can do just about anything with it. And I have to say it's really, really smooth. Now, if you're looking for something that's designed for off-road and on-road, this here is a great way to go. And the fact that it has all the new technology and bells and whistles, definitely a plus in my book. Now, with that said, if you had any questions, comment down below. Otherwise, see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.